Is your house a mess and you don't know where to start? Don't worry. Today, I'll share 7 easy, practical ways to tackle the chaos and transform your space into a clutter-free haven. Let's dive in. Start with the 5-minute rule. Set a timer for just 5 minutes and focus on one specific area, like your desk, kitchen counter, or a pile of clothes. You'll be amazed at how much progress you can make. And often, you'll want to keep going even after the timer ends. Divide your space into small zones. Instead of trying to clean the entire room in one go, tackle it piece by piece. For example, start with your bedside table today and your closet tomorrow. Small, consistent efforts add up. Grab a basket and do a quick sweep of one room, picking up everything that doesn't belong there. Later, sort the items and return them to their proper places. This trick instantly makes your space look cleaner. Paper clutter can pile up fast. Create a simple system: keep, toss, or file. Use a shredder for documents you no longer need and a folder for the ones you do. This will save you time and space in the long run. Cleaning doesn't have to be a solo mission. Get your family involved by assigning everyone a task. Even kids can help by picking up toys or sorting their clothes. Make it fun with music or friendly competition. Create a drop zone near the entrance of your home for shoes, bags, and keys. This simple habit prevents clutter from spreading to other areas and makes it easy to find things when you're heading out the door. Finally, practice daily maintenance. Spend just 10 to 15 minutes each evening tidying up. It's much easier to stay on top of the mess than to deal with it once it spirals out of control. See, cleaning doesn't have to be overwhelming. These 7 simple tips can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know your favorite cleaning hack in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.